Hello guys, welcome once again. We are going to talk about Euclidean geometry, where you can see on my graph we have a line crossing each other like this and having this angle of A, which is called the vertical opposite of the angle 62 degrees. So now we also have what is called a straight line uh, from this side to this side. These two angles, they have to give you 180 degrees. So we need to prove first, then give a statement for this particular problem. So the first thing that I will do, since I know that when they talk about vertical opposite, that means this angle over here equals to this angle. So my statement will be A is equals to 62 degrees. Why? Because of according to the theorem, it tells us that if we have an angle opposite another angle in a vertical opposite, that means these angles, they are equal to each other. That's why I wrote A equals to 62. Then now we need to solve for the unknown number, which is B. So now, before we solve for B, let us give the reason for the first one. So this is going to be vertical opposite angles because of this part and this part. Then when we continue, we are solving for this unknown B. So we know that angles in the straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to say A plus the B must equal to 180. So now we already know that we have A from our previous angle, which is the vertical opposite. So I'm going to substitute the 62 where I find my A. It's going to be 62 degrees plus B equals to 180 degrees. So from there, I will then have to transpose this number 180 degrees. I'm going to transpose this number to this side. Then I'm going to have B equal to 180. So when I transpose, notice that it is positive. It's going to change the sign to become negative 62 degrees. So my final answer is going to be B equals to 180 degrees. So hope you found that example helpful. But before we actually finish with this, we need to do one last thing to state the reason. So this one, the reason for this one is going to be angles on a straight line. That's how you give your reason for this particular problem. So ensure to pause the video, double check if the statements are correct, then leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. God bless you.